Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Robinhood to LSSC. So in here, just have to open your Robinhood, but before that, we're gonna head over to the lightsshaw.com. So go ahead and open your web browser and then just search for lightsshaw.com. So this is gonna be the home screen of the lightsshaw.com. So you just have to make your account. And then once you're logged in, you just have to tap on the Me button at the bottom right. So click on that one. And from here, you just have to tap on the recharge. And then once you tap on that, you will have here a lot of options, which is the crypto that you're going to be recharging or depositing in other terms. So let's say, for example, BTC. So once you click on BTC, you just have to put here the amount of BTC that you want to transfer from Robinhood to LSSC. So you're going to type in there and then confirm. So after that, you will see here the wallet address. So you just have to copy the wallet address. And once you're done with that, go ahead and open your Robinhood wallet. So once you're in the Robinhood, you just have to click on the send button. And from there, you just have to select the cryptocurrency that you're going to be sending. So you just have to click on BTC, and then you're going to be asked to provide a wallet address. So you just have to paste the wallet address that we've covered earlier. And then after that, you have to type in the amount of the crypto that you're going to be sending to LSSC rather. And then you're going to have to review all the details and confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!